Is NiFi giving you headaches? Pipelines getting crashed? Your data stalls? The chaos is all over? But do you know why that happens? Well, here are the top 7 reasons why Apache NiFi pipelines fail. First, bad flow architecture leads to poor performance, right from the start. Next, inefficient scheduling piles on latency and delays. Without key monitoring, data just sits there, undetected, unprocessed. Resource constraints choke throughput and crash stability. Missed errors? You risk data corruption and losing trust. Misconfigured processors? That's asking for inefficiency. And without governance, chaos rules the flow. The result? Downtime. Data loss. Developer burnout. But what if you could flip the script? Well, you can fix these problems with Ksolves. We are your NiFi optimization experts. We help you redesign, tune, and transform. With us, monitor, automate, and future-proof your NiFi data flows. So, don't replace NiFi. Reinvent it with Ksolves. Get smarter workflows, zero waste, max velocity. Start building smarter NiFi pipelines. Get in touch with us today.